Dad's driving, and we are going to be climbing Scafell Pike, the highest mountain in England, and Pike, which I always wanted to climb when we walked around Buttermere. Driving, having a little rest. Well,
you're having a rest?
Yeah, I am.
Cheeky. So yeah, we're on the M6 at the minute. So over a 4-hour drive, but we're not in any rush, so we'll stop off and have a bit of lunch and whatever.
Hey guys, we might stop at KFC because I might fancy some Prussians, and still got the man driving. Might.
If he's good.
Might.
Which Prussians is your favourite?
Probably the white chocolate.
Milky Bar.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
It's very good.
Guess what we just had?
We are now at the campsite, and it's raining outside, which is a shame that we can't put our tent up yet, because thought was just thought, but that isn't very helpful. It's not raining. So guys, we have just had a little wander around, and we found this massive river. And up there's the Scafell Pike that we will be climbing tomorrow. Hey guys, we're just on top of Scafell Pike. Not at the summit yet though. And you can barely even see anything because of all the mountain fog. That's just down there. Go down there. Taking a little sip. Not gave up yet. We are quite high though.
This little guy's doing really well.
We are at the top. See that? Right there. That means we're at the top. And we're just on this. Hello! The man who drives the car.
There's a little dude. Nailed Scafell Pike on the way back down. Legs are hurting a little bit.
Mine is hurting a lot more than his like that.
To be expected. It's quite a long way. But beautiful. Can't really see much because of all the hill fog, but it's still really nice to be out.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Made it safely.
I think that river crossing was easier the first time because it's been raining a bit, so the water level's risen, hasn't it? But it was good fun. It was very good fun. So yeah, on our way back to Wasdale campsite, and there's Wastwater in the distance. Wastwater, and still got a bit to do, haven't we? Still got a bit to do. Look what we found in the boot. Open them then.
It's his fault. I have one first. There you go.
Back at the campsite. What else is there to do than to string up a hammock?
Lie in it.
Be comfy.
Yeah, it's so nice. Got some cheese and onion crisps.
Yeah, because, yeah.
Good years. Move on over there.
There's our tent.
First person view of the hammock, swinging as well. It's not too bad. Just so nice lying in it. There he is in the hammock, eating his crisps. Saluting to the dinner. Turn you off now. See you later. Bye.